we're gonna make super easy and super magical zero carb cheese sauce. So this is made with all animal products and it happens to be egg free as well. So it's just with dairy. So if you eat dairy, you are going to love this cheese sauce. So I will note that the cheese is good. So there's no, this is white cheese. So it just has cultured milk, salt, enzymes, and it contains milk. Cream cheese, I cannot find cream cheese without fillers. So this it has locust bean gum. So there's either gar gum or locust bean gum, and sometimes there's preservatives in it as well. But this is one of the more clean brands. So if you're super cautious about any plants at all or fillers, then you're going to want to make your own yogurt cheese. And I will link down below for that. It's something that I did when we were on the GAPS diet for a long time. It's actually really easy. It just takes an extra step. So the first thing that we do is we put our cream cheese in the bottom of our saucepan. This is Calphalon. I will link to this below too. This is like the perfect size. I use this stock pot or this saucepan all the time. And I'll link down below so that you can see. There's so many different gauges of cookware and different kinds of cookware that getting kind of the exact one really helps you know that you're getting good quality. So we just put a block of cream cheese down in the bottom. Very easy. And we're gonna turn the burner on to I do like a 3. And then you go ahead and you can use any kind of cream. So if you want your cream to be super additive free, you can just get the cream off the top of raw milk. This happens to be whipping cream, which is my favorite. And go ahead and just cover the whole cream cheese with cream, my very official measurement. But you really just want enough cream, and if you just have milk, like whole milk would work as well. And then while we wait for this to heat up, and we're going to heat it up and we're going to stir occasionally until the cream cheese is melted, we're going to go ahead and grate our cheese. So cheese, as you know, if you buy it prepackaged, it does usually have cellulose fiber, which is actually wood pulp, which is kind of ridiculous, or it has potato starch in it. So if you are really watching those additives and those plants and you're doing an allergy elimination, you're going to want to grate your own cheese. If you need to buy pre-shredded cheese in order to do zero carb or carnivore or GAPS, I'm totally fine with that. Shredded cheese definitely has a place in my kitchen, but when I can grate it fresh, I definitely try to. All right, there we go. And then we just add in pinches of cheese. And this is white cheese because it doesn't have that coloring in it. And it's a natural coloring, so I don't mind it so much, but we'll use white cheese today. So just slowly whisking it in between it, kind of let it melt a little bit. We're gonna put half the cheese in and then let it all melt the rest of the way and then put the other half in. So this is getting pretty thick, and I'm gonna turn it down. A lot of you guys might like how it is just like this. Like that's pretty good, and it'll finish melting a little bit. If it had a whisk, it would work better. But that is a nice thick cheese sauce there. I'm gonna add the rest of our cheese in and let that cool or melt. I'm gonna let that melt in there for a few more minutes. And what I normally do here is after I add that last half of the cheese is I just turn it off because it does stay pretty warm while we're waiting for dinner. And I just give it one more stir before we serve. So this is delicious over steak, over meats, over vegetables. It's definitely something that we use over cauliflower for my keto kid, and we end up using over steak like brisket or tri-tip is delicious dipped in this or drizzled over it. And anything you don't use, just pour it into a bowl like a glass container and cover it with plastic wrap or a lid and keep it in the fridge, and then you can just reheat it as needed. Look at how delicious that is, and it's just all cheese and dairy.